Hi everyone, and welcome back to my home office. I recently got my wife a new mouse. So let's unbox and talk a bit about this glorious model O-. The requirement I received was for the mouse to be relatively light, pink, and have long battery life. So I decided to get this unit as it hits all of the criteria mentioned. Having a wired mouse was an acceptable trade-off, so she will never again have to worry about buying or charging batteries. The package comes with the mouse itself. Upon opening the box, we were really pleased with how the color was done here. The pink and white combination was spot on for her taste. Other than that, there's really nothing much left but the warranty card, a pink glorious PC Master Race sticker, and the silica packet. Before this, my wife had a Rapoo M100 silent mouse, which I got her a few years back. It has served its purpose well and still works fairly good to this day. However, my wife would often find herself needing to replace the battery in not so convenient situations. This M100 mouse connects via Bluetooth or the included dongle, and it is being powered by a single AA battery. Comparing these two side by side, there are only a few notable differences. The O- is longer and a bit slimmer than the M100. It also has the side buttons plus RGB. Comparing this to the super light that I'm using now, the O- is just a bit shorter and thinner. Lastly, a key reason I got her the O- is so that we can have his and her mice on our workspaces. And yes, I'm corny like that. However, the Model D is much bigger than the O-. And apart from the size difference, the Model D has the glorious logo on the left-hand side. Setting up the O- was super easy. However, it would have been great if Glorious just has a single software for all their mice. I had to install a separate software just for the O-. But other than that, I have no complaints. The RGB on the O- is vibrant and gives off a cooler light. Setting up the lighting modes on the O- is just the same as how you would do it on the Model D. Hopefully, this O- will last her for the next couple of years and will help in her productivity. Let me know your thoughts on the O-. Or if you have a his and hers mice with your significant other, what mice are you using? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you back in my home office.